Hello friends, welcome to RS Home Tutor. We are in quadratic equations, exercise number 5.2, solving the question number 5. The question is given in this way: a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on the day. If the total cost of production on the day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and cost of each article. So put the question, how to get the cost? The simple formula is the cost. When you need a cost of total cost, so it is dependent on two things. One is number of articles, and it is multiplied by the cost of each item, each article. This A indicates article. So when you know these two things, then we can get the total cost. In the sum, he has given the total cost as 90 rupees on a particular day, and number of articles, we don't know the number of articles, we take it as X. Now cost of each article, this he has a given description that, so where is the description about the cost of each article? Yeah, here he has given the production of each article in rupees. Each article cost was 3 more than twice the number of articles. So as simple as that, twice the number of articles and 3 more. So this is the cost of each article. So each and every point you understood that. You can write let the number of articles is X. The cost of each article is 2x plus 3 according to the data given, and the total cost on the day is 90. So just substitute the values. So what you'll get, this is 90 is equal to number of articles, already we have taken it as X, and 2x plus 3. Now simplification, so 2x square and this is 3x, a simple multiplication with x. Now if I take the term to that side, I will get minus 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90. The same equation I can write in this way also. So 2x square, this is not visible. So what will get, 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So whenever we have a quadratic equation like this, so we know the method of solving that. Just we'll take the product of this. The product is minus 180, 2 90s are 180, and the sum should be 3. So what are the factors for 180? Factors to get 180, and the sum should be 3. Find out. We have many pairs, but one pair it shows, that is 15 and 12. 15 12s are 180, and the sum should be 3. So if I take minus 3 minus 12 here, the sum of these two is 3 and the product is 180. So now directly you can substitute these factors. solve it. Now if I substitute, what I will get, 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So in the first two terms we can take x common. So 2x plus 15. If I take 6 common in the last two terms, minus 6. So what left to you, 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 15, if I take common in both the terms, I left with x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So you will get x value here 6. Here it is minus 15 by 2. Take 15 to that side, minus 15, and 2x becomes by 2. So these are the values. Now we can discard this one because of this is negative. We can't produce negative number of articles. So x is the number of articles produced on the day. Next, so number of articles is equal to x, that is equal to 6. Cost of article, that is nothing but 2x plus 3. If I substitute 6, 2 into 6 plus 3, that is equal to 12 plus 3, that is equal to 15 rupees. So 15 6 are 90. So this is all about the sum.